Hello and welcome to Lazy Chef. Today I'll be telling you how to make crispy stuffed mushrooms. The ingredients are as follows. First I have 1 bowl of grated cheese, 250 grams paneer, 2 tablespoons corn flour, 3 tablespoons maida, breadcrumbs of 2 breads, some coriander, chili flakes, oregano, and 2 packs of mushrooms. So the first step is to separate the cap and the stems and keep the stems aside because we'll be using it in the stuffing. For the stuffing, we'll mash the stems. You can chop them as well, but I like mashing because it is an easier process. Now we'll mash the paneer as well. Make sure that mushroom and paneer are mashed properly. Now we'll add chopped coriander. Then we'll add salt, garam masala, chili powder and coriander powder as per your taste. Then we add some chili flakes and oregano and mix it well. The stuffing is ready. Now we'll start stuffing it in the mushroom. While stuffing, make sure that it is pressed down properly. Now take 2 stuffed mushrooms, put them together and get rid of the excess stuffing. Press it down and take a toothpick and pierce it through the 2 mushrooms together. Now let's get started with the batter for the crunchy coating. So first I add maida. Then I'll put in some corn flour and mix it well. Now I'll add half a teaspoon salt, some garam masala and mix the dry ingredients properly. Now we'll add some cold water and mix it well. The consistency should be watery like this. Now dip the mushrooms in the liquid batter properly and then roll it in the breadcrumbs and keep it aside. Now we'll fry it on low flame. When one side has turned golden brown, flip it and repeat the process till the time it has turned golden brown on both the sides. Serve it hot with the dip of your choice. Thanks for watching Lazy Chef. Please do like, subscribe and share.